When it comes to giving your vehicle that flawless, showroom-worthy shine, the right car wash brush can make all the difference. Whether you're reaching across wide truck hoods, tackling RV rooftops, or just want a scratch-free, fast-cleaning solution, not all brushes are built the same. From telescoping handles and gentle bristles to all-in-one kits packed with pro-level accessories, today I'm going to reveal the best car wash brushes that combine performance, convenience, and serious value. Let's dive in. The Wontolf car wash brush is more than just a brush, it's a full-on detailing toolkit. With 4 aluminum poles and a collection of attachments including microfiber mitts, a windshield squeegee, a duster, and even a wheel brush. It's tailored for users who want a complete car care routine in one box. The microfiber chenille mitts are scratch-free, lint-free, and super absorbent, which makes them ideal for both bodywork and detailing. The highlight is its quick assembly via spring button design, a clever feature that turns your hand mop into a 62-inch reach tool in seconds. Great for SUVs and RVs, it also doubles as a home cleaning kit. While it may feel a bit accessory-heavy for someone just wanting a quick wash, for value-packed versatility, the Wontolf set is hard to beat. If reach and efficiency are your priorities, the Eversprout car wash brush absolutely delivers. Built around a sturdy, lightweight aluminum pole that extends up to 3.5 feet, giving you an effective reach of up to 10 feet. It's perfect for tall vehicles, boat decks, or siding without ever pulling out a ladder. The brush itself features ultra-soft bristles surrounded by a rubber bumper, preventing any accidental paint scratches. What stands out is its simplicity. No frills, just a well-built tool that locks easily into place and performs across surfaces like solar panels, patios, and even bathroom tiles. It's a pro favorite for multi-purpose utility, and the USA-based customer service with a 1-year warranty backs up that promise. Not the cheapest option, but absolutely worth it for premium build and reach. The Mveqrrn car wash brush keeps it clean and clever, with a 15-degree curved pole designed to reach over car rooftops more naturally, reducing wrist strain. Its thicker metal handle adds a sense of durability, and the chenille mop heads, 2 of them included, are impressively soft and paint-safe. It's more of a no-nonsense, dedicated car cleaner without the extra tools and flash, making it great for people who prefer a straightforward, long-lasting wash tool. While it lacks the multifunctionality of others, its ergonomic design and simplicity make it ideal for regular drivers who want effective reach and zero scratch worries. Designed for the pros, or at least those who wash like them, the Ceuissp car wash brush features a 62-inch extendable handle and soft flow-through bristles, allowing you to attach it directly to your hose for a streamlined suds-to-surface experience. It's a serious time saver for large jobs like RVs and trucks, with the added benefit of a lightweight aluminum build and a no-slip grip. What makes this one stand out is its ability to clean without a separate soap bucket, minimizing water mess and fatigue. While it's more focused on exterior detailing and might not suit small car interiors, the Hitjoy car wash brush is like the multi-tool of car cleaning, featuring a 62-inch extendable handle, rotatable mop head, and attachments for everything from window squeegeeing to pollen dusting. You get a microfiber duster, thick absorbent gloves, a sponge squeegee, and even a mitt for buffing and waxing. It's ideal for folks who want a one-stop kit that handles both interior and exterior cleaning tasks. Despite the wide feature set, it's user-friendly with intuitive assembly and solid reach. The rotating head adds flexibility but may need tightening if used vigorously. Still, it's a top pick for DIY detailers who want efficiency, flexibility, and value in one package. The Forgrace car wash brush leans into design innovation with a D-shaped handle that offers better grip and coverage per stroke. Its 55-inch adjustable pole allows for multiple attachments like an ice scraper, squeegee, or a mop head, turning it into a year-round cleaning tool. The chenille microfiber head ensures thick lathering and paint-safe cleaning, while its clip-on joint system makes switching functions feel seamless. Although the handle is slightly shorter than others in this list, the ergonomic control and versatility it offers, including home window and glass cleaning, make it an efficient all-season choice for those who want more than just a car brush. So, which car wash brush is right for you? If you're looking for all-in-one value, the Wontolf and Hitjoy brushes are excellent choices, offering complete kits that cover both car and home detailing needs with a wide range of useful attachments. For those who prioritize premium reach and a scratch-free experience, the Eversprout stands out, quite literally, with its extended reach and ultra-soft bristles. If simplicity and ergonomic efficiency are more your style, the Mveqrrn provides a durable, no-frill solution that gets the job done. For hassle-free washing, with hose-attachable convenience, the Ceuissp is a top pick thanks to its flow-through bristle design and time-saving features.